In this beginning of the day, we will start first introductions. So front-end web development, that is the area of web development that focuses on the user interface. You know the user interface?
Yes, sir.
User interface means that user can interact with the device. So that is the user interface. When you open the Amazon websites, when you open the Flipkart websites, then you can saw that interface from where we can order something. Okay, so that is called a interface where user can interact. Okay, so it's all about what is the front end means. It is all about converting the backend code into a graphical interface. So here what happened, here we can convert the backend code into a graphical interface. Graphical interface means that UI, you can see that in the laptop or something. The front end makes the data easy to read and understand. Okay, so it is the front end design that attracts the audience to your websites. Okay, so what we will do, we will do in that we can easily read the data by that front end. Okay, and front end design that attracts the audience of your to your websites. So we can make attract website that can attract the audience. Okay, now it is clear. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
you are clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you have doubt, then okay, ping me in between.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So front end development makes things easier for people to understand, those who are from non coding backgrounds. Okay, without front end, website will only show the codes which will complicate the task. Okay, if you don't know the codings and these things, then front end will help you. How can we interact with the websites or something? Okay, so in this course we will talk about how to become a front end developer, and what are its roles and responsibility, skills and salary, etc. Okay, so who is a front end developer? you know you know already or not?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will tell you who is a front end developer. So who develops the design and who develops, a person who develops and design the front end or user interface of a website or application is called a front end developer. Understand?
Yes,
That
sir.
person who can develop the design, the front end or user interface of a website or application, that is called a front end developer. So front end development is also known as client side development. Why? Because we will develop as a client side, no? Not we will test the server side, as client can interact with that. Okay, so
Okay,
client
sir.
side development, that is the execution of HTML, CSS and JavaScript for a website or web applications to make the data user friendly. Okay, so what is client side? It is the execution of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These are the three main things we will read in this course. Okay, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I will tell you in briefly after that. Just things, these are the three technologies that we will read in this course. Okay, so few challenges associated, some challenges that can face a front end developer. What is these are, what is these challenges? So constant change in the tool and techniques that is used to create the front end of the websites. Okay, let us understand why this simple example. If you are a front end developer in the company, or you handle the some websites, or you are handling your own company websites, and your manager comes to you and say, you can change that my logo, company logo, and you can change that slides bar in that shown in the websites. So these are the challenges. We can continue to develop that site. Okay, we can continue to this update in the sites. So that is a challenging part of the front end development. And the biggest challenge is the part of the front end developer is to make sure the site works smoothly across different browsers, different operating system and different devices. You understand na? What I am telling? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Please switch on your
Okay, sir.
microphone and that's
Okay, sir.
please respond some. Okay. So the biggest challenge of the front end developer that is to make sure that site works smoothly. Site a website that is works smoothly, not to click and when you are clicking one time then it is not work. You are clicking 10 times then it is work. So that is not happen. Okay. So first you need to check that site works smoothly or not, and you need to check that is different browsers site will work. Okay. So you know how many browsers is there? Can you tell me
What, sir?
how many browsers you know?
Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox,
Yeah, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox. So you need
Brave.
to check. Yeah, yeah. You need to check that the site is working each and every like different browsers or not, and different operating system. Like that, you make a Swiggy. Okay, you make a Swiggy, and Swiggy will work in your laptop. Okay, that is a Windows laptop. Swiggy site will work in the iOS. Swiggy laptop will work in your Android phone. So that's why you need to check that if you make a website, then it is works in different operating system and different devices. Okay. Sites. So that's the front end design that attract the audience to your websites. And I am review that. Okay. Who is a front end web developer? That who develops and design the front end or user interface of a website or application, that is called a that is a front end developer. Okay, you understand? I think the front end development that is also known as client side development. What is a client side development? Client side development means that is development from client side, from your side. Okay, it is the execution of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So in this course, we will read these three main technologies that for a website or web application to make the data user friendly. Okay, and few challenges associated with the front end development, and one of them is the constant changes the tool and technique that is used to create the front end of the websites. Okay, so you are if you are a front end developer, then you face some challenges because in the website you can see that website is that is constant changes in there, continuous there will be changes in the websites. Like in Diwali time, you saw that Diwali ads. In the Holi time, you saw that Holi ads. So there is some continuous changes each and every time. You need to change the websites. Okay, so front end developer is facing these challenges. Okay, and the biggest challenge for the front end developer is to make sure the site works smoothly across different browsers. You know that everyone that is the biggest challenge because like for example, there is an Amazon website. So Amazon websites will be supported for every browsers like Chrome browser, Safari browsers, Mozilla Firefox. Every browser should be supported. Okay, you need to take care that front end developer and different operating system. So different operating system means that Windows can support that, MacBook can support that. Okay, iOS operating that OS operating system, and many operating system that can support. So you need to take care that you need to means that front end developer and different devices that Amazon website should support, like in your Android phone, in your Apple phone, in your that PC. So if different devices that is supported. Roles and responsibility of front end developer, that is different organization assign different tasks to the developers. There are few common tasks which everyone needs to perform. Hmm. Okay, that is fine because every organization have a different projects, so there will be a different task, but there are some common tasks that using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to give life to the data. Okay, that is like we are using that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that is giving the life to the data. Okay, and I will show you how it will give to the life of data. In the previous class I shown, so you are new, I will show you. Okay. Mm, here I am using that new. Okay. This console, you are visible? It is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here I am giving some 3 plus 4. Okay, so here it is 7. Okay, fine. And 6 plus 8, that is 14. Okay, so it is type of calculator. Okay, here we can give any, we can take any calculations here. Okay, but here they are made it separately for the system. Happening just wait. It is waiting some time. Please wait. What happened? Okay. Here we can calculate. Here we can also calculate. Here we can also calculate. Can you tell me which one is good? Which one is looks good? We are given to data to this console and we are given data through this calculator. Both are working same, but which one is good? Can you tell me, anyone? Please answer. Barun Prakash, Vaibhav Agrawal, Harit Balla. Can you give the answer? Hello, my voice. I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you give me the answer? It is a two-way classes, not you listen and I'm saying. It is a two-way
Yeah.
classes, so please be attention on the class. Okay, I am saying that both are working same, both are doing calculations, but which is looks good?
Normal calculator.
That calculator, na? So here in this slide, it is showing that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript give to the life of data, because in the console we are giving the data, in the calculator we are giving the data, but looks good. HTML, you know that that is a not a programming language, that is a hypertext markup language. Okay. So the difference between hypertext markup language and a programming language, that in the programming language you can learn the, you can write the logic and something you can write, and here you can write the only format of the web page. Okay. Okay, you can write that skeleton of a web page. So HTML overview, you previous class I tell you, now I will told you again. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and it is most widely used language for write web pages. Where it is used in writing the web pages. Okay, or and hypertext, that the word is hypertext, that is refers to the way in which web pages are linked together. That is, these web pages means that HTML document, that is you are making that .html documents now. It is refers to the way in which that HTML document are linked together. So that link is available on the web page is called hypertext. That is called a hypertext. That Google Meet link, that is also called a hypertext. Okay. As its name suggests, HTML is a markup language, which means you use HTML to simply mark up a text document with text. Okay, you are using in the HTML, there are all the text. You are making the document with the text. Okay, that HTML tag, body tag, and that tell a web browser how to struct it to a display. So that text will tell you how we are formatting, how we are like display a web page in your screen. Okay. So HTML is being widely used to format web pages with the help of different text available in HTML language. Okay. So different text means that these tags now, that HTML tags, this is head tag, this is body tag. Okay, these tags, using these tags we are making the web pages. Okay, now basic HTML document, so in its simplest form following. Okay, so now we are making a simplest basic HTML documents. I told you yesterday, I give you some introductions only. So here you remove everything. Okay, we are not taking up previously like pre-written that snippet. We write with your own. Okay, so now first we defining that doc type. What is the type of this document? That is HTML. Okay. Now first is that we are making that HTML document. So first we write HTML document, and in this HTML document, opening and closing tag is there. That is called opening tag. That is called closing tag. In this HTML document, there will be a head tag. Okay. In that HTML, there is a head tag, and there is a body tag. We are making separately both. Head tag is different and body tag is separate, not in the head tag. In the HTML tag, these are the main two tags, head tag and body tag. Okay. So this is the simplest document. Now you can see that there is a doc type, they defining HTML head tag. In the head tag, okay. So now we will see that web pages. What is in the web pages for this page I've created? Here it is nothing. Okay, this IP is just showing in the title. There is a showing. So now we change that title here. Okay, so here we written that title of that web page. TI title. Okay, what happening? Okay, title tag, and this is also opening and closing tag. So in this title tag, we written like my document. Okay, my web page. Okay, so in the title document, you written that my web page, and it is reflected here. You saw that. Okay, and in the body tag, you need to write everything which is shown here in your web pages, in all things. Okay, so in the body tag, I will write something hello world. Okay, you follow me, and okay, that is a hello world. It is here. Okay, now this is only a simplest form I written. This is only a just starting of a web page. Okay, so now I will do. Okay, so this is the basic HTML document. Here I have written this. This is the basic HTML document. Now we will go in the second here. Okay, HTML tags. So HTML tags, I told earlier that HTML is a markup language and make use of various tags to format the content. Okay, these tags are enclosed within angle braces. These braces. Okay, tag name, this thing, this head is there. They are enclosed with this braces. Okay, angle braces. Except few tags, most of the tags have their corresponding closing tag. For example, HTML has its closing tag and body tag is closest tag. Okay, so we are saying that each and every like most of the tags have opening and closing tag, but some of the tags they have only open tag. We will I will tell you in like in future classes. These are called only that opening tag. Okay, this is called opening and closing tag. This is opening tag, this is closing tag. So this is, and this body tag is opening and closing tag. Okay, but some of the tags they have only opening tag, not a closing tag. This body have opening and closing tag both. Head is opening and closing both. Title opening and closing both. But some of the tags I will tell you that they have only opening tag. Okay,